Okay, so today we are doing the Godfather tour. We're going to go to a few places where the film was filmed, and we have a tour guide, Antonio, and he's showing us around and sharing stuff about Sicily. He's a local. I tried to stay up last night to watch the movie because it's been a long time since I've seen it, and I only watched like the first hour, and it was all the parts that I remembered. So hopefully he explains this really well and we can understand what we're seeing. And as you, we have the bar right behind us where it all started. My Uncle Al is a fan of the movie, so he's the aficionado, so anything that we forget, he'll fill us in.
Hello, good morning guys, I'm Tony. Today we're gonna have a Godfather tour, so follow me, let's go.
Being the Godfather aficionado, did you recognize this place when you first got here?
I sure did.
What'd you think?
It's really amazing. It's smaller than what it looks like in the movie, but you can actually remember all the scenes that they did. Like actually where Tim is sitting, I believe it was where Michael was sitting.
That's correct.
And then the father came out the door. They were talking, and he got mad, kind of flicked his suspenders, walked back off in, and his bodyguard came up, looked in, and said, "Let's go." So at that point, let's go before he come out.
Okay.
The three legs are the three tips of the Sicily, okay? So capo peloro, capo pasta, e capo libero. Pass from the house of this girl, and you saw this beautiful head of Moro with this beautiful basil.
Right.
All the girl wants to kill the Moro, but the girl wants to cut the head.
Oh wow.
It's a story.
It's a story, yeah.
Where'd you take that from?
Eruption.
From where I live.
Wow. What is it?
Allora, this is piparelle with almonds.
Okay.
Ok, queste sono limone. This is a lemon biscuits. E queste?
La mandorla?
Almond as well. Sesame. Try, go ahead.
Ciao, Beda.
A lot of the warriors on the ferry, and these people, they save it, her. There we go, we are in the Church Santa Lucia, is where Michael Corleone married with Apollonia, the beautiful girl from the Godfather. Let's go! Careful, so far from you, huh?
Uneven road there. Godfather tour, great. We got to visit several locations that they actually filmed in the movie. One thing I was surprised about is the settings were actually smaller than what they appear to be in the movie. But overall, fantastic. I highly recommend it. And if you can get the tour guide, it was Antonio. He was the best. And I'm still in here with my lovely wife.
I'm so happy for him. Godfather is his favorite movie of all time. When we first started dating, he told me what his favorite movie was. We watched together, and I'm so happy that we were able to bring the movie to life.
The Godfather tour was amazing. I am so happy we had a Godfather expert with us because we probably would not have taken that tour had he not recommended it. Antonio was phenomenal. He could answer any questions that you had, and just showing us things that we probably would not have seen on any other tour. It was fantastic, and we got to try granita at Bar Vitelli and the cafe Granita con Pana Hebreos, deliciosa.
Oh, wow, I want to thank Al Publica and Patricia for setting this up. What a great tour. The Bar Vitelli, outstanding. I have to go back and look at the movie, but there's a lot of scenes I do remember, you know, with Michael, topped off with pistachio gelato. So I had a really great day. Shout out to Antonio for the great job he did, and Tim, thank you for all the things you've done.
So I too enjoyed the tour. Again, I haven't seen all of the movies. I only saw the first two. It was a while ago. But I was still able to get the whole tour because Antonio was able to explain things. And in addition to that, a lot of the places we went had pictures from the film and some explanations. And then, of course, we have the expert with my Uncle Al. So, yeah, the tour was great. We had a great time. And it was only like 4 hours or so. So it's midday now. And looks like it's about to rain. So good thing we did the tour earlier. So now we can kind of, you know, wander around, get something to eat. I got to fly the drones, so you're going to see that epic footage. And yeah, it's been a good start to the day.
The bus ride in from Catania was very unique. It's kind of nice to see how the locals use their transportation. And then once we ride at Termino, me and Jessica, Airbnb was pretty awesome. The Godfather tour was outstanding. Antonio did an outstanding job. And of course, you did a great job with your drone, but this is a place I definitely recommend for anybody. There's just a lot of things to do and a lot of things to buy. It's nice.
Time here in Sicily was definitely worth the trip for me. I enjoyed the Godfather tour, and I'd recommend it. We're definitely coming back. I'd like to spend at least 4 or 5 days just in this little area alone.
I love spending time in Sicily. We got to see the Godfather tour, which my husband really, really liked. It was amazing. Got to do some shopping. I got 2 troll beads for this area, Greek theater as well as Vesuvio. So I wish I had it in front of me so I could show you. It's beautiful. I'm very happy. Sterling silver. I love to shop, so my heart is happy. And spending time with family, it was just amazing. We will definitely be back.